Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make 3D spatial photos in the Photos app on the iPhone 17 Air. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the gallery, so open up the photos, and right here, I'll go to the library. Now here we have a lot of pictures, and if we want to make one that will move, then I'll find the perfect example of a picture like that. So for an example, we want this picture right here to be moving, and all we have to do now is to create it with a 3D spatial photos option. So this option is right here. This is the little button. Now as you guys can see, it says the spatial scene, and now whenever we move our device, as you guys can see, the picture is also moving with us. So you probably won't notice it as much as I do, but you guys can test it for yourself and let me know if the effects are worth it. So that's basically how you guys can do that. Now you guys can turn it off right here, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.